So as a quick look at our Black Series HQ19, you can see it's got light duty truck tires on it. It's got dual pane windows. They're all tinted in the front. You've got your hitch is a multi-directional. It goes every which way, back and forth, in and out a little bit. It's got a parking brake, which you usually don't find on trailers. And then it's got a jockey wheel. It's got 2 propane tanks and another storage area that's set up for a couple of the 5-gallon drums or jugs. It's got lights, LED lights all the way around, and they're super bright. It's the rest of the hitch. It doesn't use a regular ball. It's got a pull-out kitchen with this making into a table. Dual burner, electric light. Underneath it's got the propane and water hookup. Then the water hookup here, sink, storage drawers. The door is pretty cool. It has a security door, so if I lock it, you'll see that there's pins that go out in the bottom and the top. And then if you want, you reattach them. It's got a little table, outdoor 110 and 12 volt. Great for inflating your tires. You see the light duty truck tires, locks on them all, black water tank. The tires are still like new. If you can look underneath, you see how beefy the suspension is. It's never been taken off-road. We've been hitting the beaches. It's got scrape rails, water over here, outdoor shower. This is the compartment, goes all the way through to the other side, but this one does have power circuit breakers here. Power stairs. A lot of lights. It's bigger than a trailer queen bed, but smaller than a regular queen. I think it's 60 by 78. We added a mattress topper on top because it was just way too firm. The screens, you see the dual pane windows, and there's 5 latches on each one. You can open it just a little bit and latch it. And if you look, I use one hand up or down. Try to do that on a regular trailer. It's set up for heated tanks in case you want to go off in the winter. Nice cabinetry. The triple filter, that's for your drinking water. And there's 2 tanks, one for drinking water, one for general water. General water comes out here, drinking water comes out here. This is for general, this is for drinking. It's got a TV that turns around toward the bed or sitting here. Got a skylight, AC unit. Cabinets are pretty good size. And your electrical with your battery. You can see I stick my hand in there. Stove and the oven are electric light, so you don't have to get a match for the oven. Got a cover, and it's tight. So the Formica, some people have a problem with it coming up, and we did in a few areas, and we just used some of the contact cement, put it underneath it, and then glued it back down. Works good. The table has these pull outs so you can extend your legs, but they're crap. If you put any weight on it, the screws are going to come out. The table folds down, so it gives you enough room for a small person bed. You know, I wouldn't think anybody over 5 foot would like it. A couple kids would be fine though. Again, cabinetries are deep. A lot of lights. When you turn off all the lights, put all these blackout curtains and the shades down, it's really dark in here. Big refrigerator. Everything's in perfect shape. Like I said, the few problems we had was the Formica coming up a little bit, and we used contact cement, put it back down. Shower is incredible. I'm 5'11", and I stand in it and have no problem. And they did the smart thing. They put the vent right in the middle. Shower, hand shower is really a good one. We have a different trailer, a bigger trailer, toy hauler that we own now, and we had to change the shower head on it. This one we never wanted to because it worked great. The one thing that we don't care for that much, especially me because I'm taller, is you have to use the small mirror to shave. Otherwise you got to bend down. The washing machine is incredible. Works really good. We've used it a few times. You can see how big the sink is. Porcelain toilet. Plenty of space. You have all the room you need in front of you. A lot of bathrooms, they're sideways where you have to hit the cabinet. Not on this one. More storage. Another fan in the bathroom. Dual shock.